Global markets are in rally mode today, but not every asset is joining the party. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today we are doing a complete deep dive into silver. Silver surged to $63.06 per troy ounce, a move of plus 3.99% on the session. Intraday, prices ranged between $61.38 and $63.35. Let us break down exactly what is driving this move. The gold move is partly driven by safe havens aren't behaving like they used to. Here's what's changed. Now let us look at the broader macro picture. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. This comes as S&P 500, NASDAQ register best quarter since 2020 despite Iran war, adding pressure to energy markets. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. Rate expectations remain a key driver for growth and technology stocks, which are highly sensitive to discount rate assumptions. Equity markets are responding to reports that U.S. job creation cools in June with payrolls growth of just 57,000, unemployment rate at 4.2%. This comes as S&P 500, NASDAQ register best quarter since 2020 despite Iran war, adding pressure to energy markets. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Meanwhile, Brent crude is broadly flat at $71.88, awaiting a fresh catalyst. The move follows reports that Brent crude oil bias may remain bearish to neutral in H2 SI 2026 business standard. Meanwhile, WTI crude is broadly flat at $68.62, awaiting a fresh catalyst. The move follows reports that Brent crude oil bias may remain bearish to neutral in H2 SI 2026 business standard. Meanwhile, natural gas is up plus 1.44%, trading at $3.24. This comes as S&P 500, NASDAQ register best quarter since 2020 despite Iran war, adding pressure to energy markets. Coming back to silver. The momentum is firmly with the bulls right now. A sustained break above recent highs could open the door to further gains. Volume and open interest will be key to watch. Here is our near-term analytical view on silver. From a momentum perspective, the next key resistance for silver sits around $66.84. A sustained break above that level could attract further institutional buying. The main risk to the upside scenario is a shift in macro conditions or central bank tone. This is our analytical view, always do your own research. In terms of what to watch next, keep an eye on Federal Reserve commentary and real yield movements. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We do the research so you do not have hours of analysis distilled into actionable daily briefings. If that is valuable, please hit the like button. It is the single best way to support independent market analysis and help us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for tomorrow's briefing. Drop your view in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish from here? That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is our deep dive on silver. Subscribe to MTRS_Market Pulse for daily commodity coverage.